Well, I felt that we started out with fine in the first half. When we started like moving the ball around, I think we got another rhythm that we wanted. And so being, we got another confidence natin sa team. And factor din for me was the ball was reaching the post. So I think we got some passes back.
Coach, to JD, you had 17 points, 10 assists, 7 rebounds, 2 steals, and plus 19. So, yun nga, may sabi ni Coach, kahit yung first half niyo, pero the second half, nakuha niyo yung rhythm. Ano man sabi niyo sa team niyo after this first game?
The first half, may na-challenge kami na hinaharap. After nung match namin sa halftime, laging sinasabi sa amin na paano namin i-overcome yung challenge na yun. Yun nga, nag-response kami ng maayos and yun nakontrol namin yung game.
Thank you. To Francis, you have 14 points, including 2 crowd rebounds, 6 rebounds, and 3 assists. So, what can you say about your team's performance in the first game, and what can you see more about the Fighting Maroons in the remaining in this season? Can you say?
First of all, really glad that we got the win. I would say I want to credit the coaches second half. We adjusted defensively, and we got away with it. And I'm just really glad that we got this win. And hopefully for the upcoming games, we will go better.
Thank you. KP, you had 7 points, 17 rebounds, 2 blocks, 2 assists, and plus 17. So first of all, welcome to the UAP, and what can you say? Playing in front of more than 12,000 fans at Araneta Coliseum, facing 2 posts.
I think it was an exciting first game for me. I'm glad that we got the win. That's the most important thing. As a team, we just want to keep playing. And I think that we're just going to keep improving as the season goes along.
Okay, the floor is open for questions.
Hi JD, so good game today, double I think, and may special motivation ba when you played against Garrett since hindi pa kayo mag-comment during the off-season?
First of all, I feel bad for Jared kasi nung lumabas yung screen niya, ayun mukha niya sa screen niya. Yung ibang fans nagpo sa kanya, just ang pangit na simula niya sa UAP. But, wala naman akong against kay Jared kung maglaro siya sa anong school niya. But, ang gusto ko lang malaman niya is na wala kaming yung team ng UUP, wala kaming problema sa kanya. Kung saan yung gusto, wala kaming problema. So, happy lang ako sa kanya na nag-debut na siya sa UAP. And sana, sa fans na nagbuka Jared, sana itigil na natin yun kasi nasama talaga. Nasama ng pasok niya sa UAP kapag gagal. Yan lang.